Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be showing you a neat trick that will make your desktop navigation a breeze. We'll guide you through the process of creating desktop shortcuts, allowing you to access your favorite apps, folders, and files instantly. Whether you're a Windows veteran or new to the operating system, this tutorial is designed to be beginner-friendly and informative. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. On Windows 11, you can create a shortcut using the Shortcut Wizard. Here's how. Right-click on the desktop, then select New. Choose the Shortcut option. Click the Browse button. Select the file to create a shortcut. Click the OK button. Click the Next button. Confirm a name for the shortcut. Click the Finish button. You can also create a shortcut for an app from the Start menu. Here's how to do it. Open Start. Click the All Apps button. Left-click and drag the app to the desktop to create the shortcut. You can also create shortcuts for websites on Windows 11. Open the website in particular, then click and drag the website icon to the desktop. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.